Elementary and middle school students from across Poway Unified got to experience Balboa Park as their classroom for the day, as they worked together to create high-quality films, all using iPhones.
Well, you could show people your videos and communicate through videos.
We run a workshop called We Make Movies SmartPhone Studio, and this is teaching people that they can make a movie no matter what their budget is.
You're gonna lock the tilt.
For me, seeing everyone get together, elementary, middle school, high school, and seeing people getting together and authentically creating things together is how the world gets better.
The two-day workshop was the result of the Poway Unified Career Technical Education Program, collaborating with Apple and We Make Movies to teach students about the fundamentals of mobile filmmaking, and along with that, many additional skills to prepare students for college, career, and life.
Video production is a great way for them to incorporate the skills that they're learning in all of their classes. Critical thinking, creative thought, also organization, time management, being able to communicate with others. The more years I've taught video, the more things I realize that there's crossover into other areas of life.
We hope that with early exposure in the elementary and middle school, students are making informed choices so that they know day one when they step onto a high school campus, a pathway is right for them.
As technology advances, students of all ages have increased access to storytelling with so many movie-making tools available to them.
You remember how to label your
What I like about film is that I get to express myself.
It's probably not that long, you're just doing it.
It's wonderful to go from station to station and see all these young people just in a few hours filming and creating their own movies.
We use this little stuffed animal and then we put it in this tree and then we pretended that it was a real animal and then it was stuck in the tree.
From filming to editing, the students were able to work alongside industry professionals to hone their skills and take back what they learned to their own schools.
To see them take so much pride in their work has just been amazing.
I want the students to learn how to create and edit the videos themselves, and it's using technology, and it's something that they can use their creativity in creating things that they're interested in.
The workshop culminated with a screening for parents in the RBHS Performing Arts Center.
I saw a lot of really impressive work product in there, thing that I had 20, 30 years ago, so I'm really impressed with that.
The program has helped launch a new generation of filmmakers, from Chicago to New Mexico, and now here in San Diego. For the Excellence in Education series, I'm Gabe Tolo, Studio 701.